good word. We are approaching 30 seconds from the departure of this Falcon 9 rocket.
Too long. Okay.
30 seconds.
30 seconds.
T-minus 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Who's talking?
20 seconds.
You gonna do the countdown at 10?
15 seconds.
15. Ready to count down?
And here we go.
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1. Engine ignition and liftoff. Liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket on the Starlink 6-92 mission. A record-setting flight for this first stage booster.
Look at that rocket go, buddy.
It went higher than a flag.
It did go higher than a flag.